Hello everyone, welcome to the Learn Greek series for beginners. My name is Vivian and my native language is Greek. In the first 3 lessons, I will teach you how to read and pronounce Greek correctly. To read and pronounce Greek correctly, you have to familiarize yourself with 4 essentials: the alphabet and the sound of the letters, the vowel complexes and the consonant complexes with their sounds, the stress mark or accent mark, and the punctuation marks. The punctuation marks are almost the same as in the English language, except for the question mark and the semicolon. The main punctuation marks are summarized in the next slide. Note that the English semicolon is the question mark in Greek and that the Greek semicolon is an upper dot. You will notice that in Greek, most words have an accent mark above them. This little mark is very important in pronunciation. The accent mark over vowels, or what we call in Greek tonos, indicates the syllable where a word is stressed. At the syllable where the stress mark falls, you raise your voice slightly. In some cases, words don't need a written stress mark, and we will discuss those cases now. Single-syllable words don't take an accent mark. There are some exceptions, but they aren't relevant for now. Words written in uppercase don't take an accent mark. On the other hand, the accent mark is present in title case. In the next slide, notice the use of the stress mark for the word alpha, written in lowercase, uppercase, and title case. Now that you have learned the role of the stress mark in pronunciation, it is time to learn the Greek alphabet. With each letter, I will also teach you a simple word to help you understand better the pronunciation and sound of each letter. After each letter and word, I pause briefly so that you can repeat after me and start learning. The Greek alphabet has 24 letters, 7 vowels and 17 consonants. Ready? Let's begin. Alpha, άλογο, β, βιβλίο, γάμα, γάτα, δέλτα, δάσος, έψιλον, ελιά, ζήτα, ζακέτα, ήτα, ήλιος, θήτα, θάλασσα, γιώτα, υπότης, κάπα, καρέκλα, λάμδα, λεμόνι, μη, μήλο, νι, νερό, ξύ, ξύλο, όμικρον, οχιά, πι, ποδήλατο, ρο, ρόδα, σίγμα, σκύλος, ταφ, τρένο, ύψιλον, ύψος, φι, φωτιά, χ, χαλί, ψι, ψάρι, ωμέγα, ωκεανός. Let's read the alphabet one more time. No pauses this time. Αλφα, Β, Γ, Δ, Έψιλον, Ζ, Ι, Θ, Ι, Κ, Λάμδα, Μ, Νι, Ξ, όμικρον, Π, Ρο, σίγμα, ταφ, ύψιλον, φ, χ, ψ, ωμέγα. Listen and repeat the letters and words until you feel comfortable reading, recognizing, and writing the letters of the Greek alphabet. You can pause the video and practice reading and writing the alphabet in the next slide. Congratulations! Let me demonstrate again the sound of the vowels. Alpha sounds like A. Epsilon sounds like E. Iota, Eta and Ypsilon all sound like E. Omicron and Omega both sound like O. I have summarized in a single slide the alphabet, the sound of the letters, and the transliteration rules used in my course. There is no standardized method for Latin transliteration. I have used the letters that make more sense to me as a native speaker of the Greek language and as a speaker of the English language. In the next two lessons, I will teach you the vowel complexes and the consonant complexes, so that you can read and pronounce correctly any Greek word. Once you understand the sound of the letters, vowel complexes and consonant complexes, reading and pronunciation is straightforward. Let me know in the comments if this lesson has helped you, if you have any questions, and which is your favorite Greek word that you learned today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like or subscribe, as it helps the channel grow and it motivates me to create new videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.